no heat is supplied to a liquid during evaporation, how does then the liquid change into its vapors? So the answer is, though no heat is supplied to the liquid molecules near the surface of the liquid acquire sufficient kinetic energy by collisions with other liquid molecules, and with this kinetic energy they overcome the attractive forces of other molecules and change into vapors. What this is saying? So let us understand. Okay, so suppose you are having a container, and in this container you take some water. Okay, now what happens? The molecules present at the surface, the molecules present at the surface acquire some amount of kinetic energy. Okay, and after gaining some amount of kinetic energy their motion becomes more vigorous, and they starts colliding with the other neighboring molecules, and this in turns increases the temperature or heat, sorry, increases the amount of energy, and they starts colliding with one another, and it causes them to evaporate from the surface or escape the surface. Okay, so what is happening? The molecules are gaining some kinetic energy, and due to kinetic energy they start colliding with other liquid molecules, and they overcome the attractive forces applied on these molecules by the other neighboring molecules, and in this way they escape the surface. So second para is, during evaporation particles of water absorb heat from the surrounding to change their state. So, from where they are gaining this kinetic energy? They are gaining this kinetic energy from the molecules surroundings, and this kinetic energy converts in heat and they escape from the surface. So, during evaporation, particles of water absorb heat from the surrounding to change their state. Okay, so if evaporation is taking place, first of all they are absorbing kinetic energy, then they are colliding, then after colliding they gain some energy and escape the surface, and after escaping they reaches the atmosphere or the air, and due to the atmospheric heat they changes into vapor. So this is the complete evaporation process, and there is no supply of heat during evaporation, but still they are having some kinetic energy which causes collision, which causes escaping, and after escaping they convert into vapor. How they convert into vapor? So they absorb heat from the surrounding, they absorb heat from the air or the atmosphere, and they convert into vapor. In this way the whole evaporation process take place.